Hello everyone, I'm Tutor Firestone. Now we have equation which is 9 power 2x minus 3, which is equal to 1 over 27 power 3x minus 1. Now let us provide solution. Nine power 2x minus 3 is equal to 1 over 27 then power 3x minus 1. 9 is equal to 3 power 2 or 3 squared, then power 2x minus 3, which is equal to 1 over 27 is equal to 3 power 3 then power 3x minus 1. Now here we have to know that once we have power, then power another number, this one can multiply together to get 3 power 4x minus 6, which is equal to, now this number is going to above and then the sign will change, which is 3 power negative 3 then power 3x minus 1. And this one will bring that once we have 3 power 4x minus 6, this one will bring equal to 3, then negative 3 is going to multiply these numbers we have here to get negative 9x plus 3. Once we have same base to mean that power are equal, this will bring 4x minus 6, which is equal to negative 9x plus 3. Now by changing position to get 4x then plus 9x will be equal to 3 plus 6. Now 4x plus 9x will bring 13x, which is equal to 9, and then by dividing 13 here and dividing 13 here, we will get x, which is equal to 9 over 13. Thank you so much. Keep watching. See you the next time.